Hi, I'm Cody Hayes with Aerial Wakeboarding. Today we're going to take a quick look at our universal quick release wakeboard rack. So first you'll want to take your box cutter and make sure that you're careful as you cut this open, just to ensure that you don't damage any of the product on the inside. And you'll see as you pull this back, all of the product comes neatly bubble wrapped inside for shipping protection. And here, with it all laid out, you'll notice that we have the two fingers, which are going to attach to the backing plate there. This screws into the back of the backing plate. Quick knob goes through it, which is going to attach it to the clamp. Once you have everything put together, you can decide which clamp insert you need to use to make this clamp fit around the tubing of your tower. Okay, so this is the clamp where it attaches to the tower. This knob over here you'll see is the quick release knob. And what this allows you to do is disconnect from the tower itself. That way you can store it easily. So if you just want to bring that back a little bit, the clamp comes right off. That's still connected to the tower, and then you just pull the rest of the rack off and you can take it completely off the boat. Once you removed all of the bolts, you can take the top half of the clamp completely off. At that point, you'll decide which rubber insert is going to work for the tubing on your tower. Get it lined up in there, and then just replace the top piece of the clamp. Secure everything, screw it all down, and attach it back to your rack. So in closing, this is the universal quick release wake rack. There are a few other variations as well, including a wake knee, wake surf, and a ski rack. And what you'll notice, the last thing I want to cover is when you do slide your two boards in here, what you'll want to do is go ahead and take this bungee, just bring it around over the top of the boards and slide it into the notches on the bottom. Again, I'm Cody Hayes with Aerial Wakeboarding. Hopefully that answered any questions you might have about our universal quick release wake rack. If you do still have any questions, please feel free to visit us at aerialwakeboarding.com.